see something that just doesn't look real? Like it rolled straight out of the future? Yeah, that's the new 2025 Audi Luxury Motorhome, a masterpiece that's way beyond just another ride. This thing isn't built for the average road trip crowd. It's for the ones who dream bigger, move smarter, and live life like it's a statement. Audi didn't just make a vehicle. They built a moving experience, wrapped in chrome, power, and pure elegance. From the moment it hits the road, it doesn't just move, it glides, smooth, silent, confident, like it owns every inch of asphalt beneath it. Every curve screams precision, every line breathes perfection. This isn't transportation, it's transformation, a whole new definition of travel. Imagine a luxury home, a private jet, and a spaceship all rolled into one. That's the vibe. It's not about getting from point A to point B anymore. It's about owning everything in between. Every mile, every moment, every look from people wondering what just passed them. When you step inside, it hits different. The outside world fades away. Suddenly you're surrounded by calm, by power, by craftsmanship that feels almost alive. The air is clean, the silence feels rich, and everything around you looks like it was made just for you. The seats? They don't just recline, they hug you. Soft-touch eco-leather that adapts to your body, turning into a queen-size bed with one smooth tap. The lighting shifts with your heartbeat, warm, ambient, perfectly tuned. You're not in a vehicle anymore, you're an Audi personal lounge of the future. Every surface has a purpose. Brushed aluminum edges glow under backlit wood. The walls listen, literally. Say the word, and the lights dim, the temperature drops, the scent changes. Yeah, this thing has its own built-in diffuser. It's not just smart, it's intuitive. And that massive windshield up front? Full AR, wrapping around like a 360-degree digital cocoon. Real-time terrain, maps, and weather, right there, feeding you everything you need. It's tech, but it's art. You don't just see the road, you feel it. Now under the hood, that's where things get wild. Audi dropped their next-gen solid-state electric system in this beast. No gas, no noise, just clean, raw electric muscle. Dual motors on all four corners, the reborn Quattro system gripping the ground like rails. 600 miles on a single charge, that's almost double what anyone else is pushing. Hit the pedal, and it doesn't roar, it launches, smooth, instant power, no lag, no hesitation. It's like electricity turning into motion, fast, flawless, and freaking addictive. And yeah, the suspension, it's floating tech, adaptive air that reads the road, adjusts in milliseconds, and makes rough terrain feel like silk. Park it anywhere, and it literally levels itself, like it's balancing your world for you. Charging? Plug in, grab a coffee, and 25 minutes later, you're back at 80%, ready to roll again. This thing doesn't slow down for anyone. But the real magic's inside, where performance meets pleasure. You've got a full gourmet setup in there, not some camper gimmick, a legit chef-level kitchen. Counters glow under soft LEDs, a fridge that slides open smooth, and a stove that hums quiet like tech meeting taste. And right next to it, boom, a retractable screen drops from the ceiling. Netflix, gaming, whatever you're into, it's all right there. And running the whole show, Audi's AI concierge. This isn't some generic voice assistant. This thing learns you. It knows when you wake up, what playlist hits your morning vibe, and how you like your lights at night. It literally sets the mood before you even think about it. Curtains open, music fades in, scent kicks up, and you just sit there like, yeah, this is the life. When the night hits, it turns into something else. The lighting flows through the cabin like gold, soft, slow, perfect. The walls shimmer with warmth, and the silence just feels expensive. It's not just comfort, it's therapy on wheels. See, Audi's not just selling vehicles anymore. They're selling an energy, a vibe, a feeling, a lifestyle. The 2025 Luxury Motorhome is freedom, wrapped in luxury, powered by the future. It's for the ones who see the open road and think bigger. The ones who want their penthouse to move with them, who chase sunsets, not deadlines. Every piece of this machine was built to flex, not in a loud way, but in that calm, confident way that says, yeah, I've arrived. The body's sculpted perfection, Aerodynamic, flawless, flowing like liquid steel. The lights pulse with attitude, like they know exactly how good they look. Audi didn't just make another electric ride. They redefined what luxury travel means. They made something you don't just drive, you experience. This motorhome isn't about escaping, it's about expanding. Taking your world with you wherever you go without sacrificing an ounce of comfort, power, or peace. From the first mile to the last, it's pure Audi energy. Clean, strong, silent, and built to impress. Every mile feels like a flex, every road feels personal. Because this ride isn't for everyone, and that's the point. It's for the ones who live different, think different, and never settle for average. Audi didn't just build a motorhome, they built a movement, a future on wheels, a whole new definition of luxury travel. So yeah, the road just got an upgrade, and Audi's the one rewriting the rules. You don't drive this thing, you arrive in it.